Hello, it's me, Nia, with Xquisite Floral Design and Events, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about wedding planners, and the question that I always get, do I really need a wedding planner? So before we get deep into this conversation about wedding planning and all that fun stuff, make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, make sure you hit that bell, and don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me, what is the most challenging part of your planning of your event or wedding? So anyway, let's get started. So the question is, do I need a planner? And my answer is yes, you need a planner to help you with all those little nitty-gritty things that you have to do with your wedding. They're just basically your guide, your helping mate. They are just awesome. So here are some reasons that can help you when you want to decide, I don't think I can afford a wedding planner, or I really don't even need one. So the first thing is, I'm on a tight budget. Well, who isn't on a tight budget, especially when you're planning a wedding? If you have a wedding planner, he or she is able to help you with your budget. They'll be able to tell you what you need and what you don't need. aka the things that you want to buy that's basically wasting money, like those party favors that no one's going to really take with them. Or they even can pull some strings and get discounts that you didn't even think that you would be able to get. So for example, if you're on a tight budget, why not cut about 10 of your guests out? Or maybe don't do those expensive cocktail gifts. Or maybe not even those expensive bridesmaid gifts. I promise you, getting a wedding planner is money well spent for you and your fiance. So I want to be able to plan my own wedding. Well, who doesn't want to plan their own wedding? I surely did. But if you want to have fun parts of planning your wedding, but you also want to take out the stressfulness, the annoyances, the crazy parts, like finding out the pricing for rentals, or getting vendors to call you back or respond to you, or figuring out your wedding day timeline, or what time deliveries are coming in, is everything cleaned up? This is where a wedding planner can help you with these little things. You will still be in control of planning your wedding, but they are just helping you behind the scenes with the little nonchalant things. So it's just guidance, knowledge, and directing your focus on what you want to do, and that's plan your wedding. So I have a specific vision for my wedding, and I don't want to trust anyone else to execute it. So you have a vision, right? I promise you, a planner will connect you with the person that can make your visions come true. Believe me, if they are the right planner for you, they know the right connection for you. So that cuts out all the hassle of you trying to find that person who does that special thing for you. Saves you a little time. So you want to design, craft, DIY with your sister, cousin, brother, mother, grandmother while planning your wedding. You can still do all the fun. So having a planner will not take the joy out of doing all the wedding related tasks and projects that you want to do with your friends and family. It's that what you want to do it. Your planner will probably actually help or suggest things that will make what you're doing even enjoyable. You can still design your whole wedding with your sister, or craft with your best friend, or bake a cake with your grandmother, but you absolutely have a planner, even if you want other people to be involved in your wedding. So the venue has a planner. Okay, so they may have a planner, but that planner is only there for the venue and the logistics. That planner will not help you pick out stationery, set appointments with you. They may help you with the timeline, but it's not going to be very detailed. They're not going to be there to run around and help when you need anything, to hold your bouquet, to tell you how to cut your cake, or even, did you pack an overnight bag? So when you say, I'm going to use the venues coordinator, remember that's not your planner. They are just there to help coordinate the day at the venue. Really can't afford a planner where there's so many different options. You don't have to get a full planner that plans everything. Find out if they have smaller packages like partial or even day of, which sometimes could be something like almost a month of, where they kind of help you at the end, where you already got all your vendors established, you got the times established, they got all the good stuff done. All they're really going to do is just come in a month at the end, help you a month before. They're going to help you with getting your timeline together, being your communication or your middleman for your vendors, and then they're going to be there the day of, confirming all the vendors, handling everything that you need for that day. So think about that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.